on her like, oh, they don't know I got the drop on them like.
What I'm gonna do for you today, I have some quick recipes, quick snack recipes to help to calm down those sweet tooth cravings that you may be having throughout your fitness journey. Now, we all understand that when it comes to fitness, it's all about nutrition, right? Nutrition is key. Most of the time when we have cravings, either pregnant or not, it all stems down to nutrition. Your body is saying, I need this nutrition. But sometimes we get confused and we eat junk instead of replacing what we're craving with something that's filled with nutrients and vitamins. So what I have here is an apple, and this is going to simulate something similar to apple, like an apple pie filling, right? Just simple ingredients. We're going to use an apple, honey, butter, some cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. See, what I like to do is, whatever your preference may be, if you like to keep the skin on your apple, if you don't like to keep the skin on your apple, that's cool, but I prefer the skin because that's where the nutrients. Just get rid of that core. Slice the apple up. See, now when you're quick, when you're quick and you're on the go, just prepare this really quickly. Okay, add some, I can't believe it's not butter. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place all of these ingredients in this bowl, about a teaspoon of butter. And you can you have two options, pop it in the microwave or you can pop it in the oven. I prefer the oven because I found some ground nutmeg, so I'm just gonna add a small bit of ground nutmeg to this mix as well. A little bit of ground nutmeg, some cinnamon, a little bit of vanilla, sea salt, just a pinch. Don't want to put too much because you don't want your sweets to taste salty. You want to give it just a pinch of salt just to enhance the flavors. Add some honey to bring everything all together. Now use your spoon. Mix it all up. Now after you mix it up, you just pop it in the microwave. The butter is gonna melt onto the apples to give it a nice creamy, give it a nice buttery feeling that you can eat it just like this if you wanted to. I'm just gonna mix it just a little bit more, and look how it creates like a sauce at the bottom. You can see it's a little sticky, like it's a little thick. That's what we want. Similar to an apple pie filling. If you are a person that craves savory foods, this is a great way to help cure your sweet tooth. This is perfect. Great way to. Let me finish chewing. I love these type of snacks because this is a great way to help get some nutrition in and to help to cure any sweet tooth cravings that I may be having. All right, so that's snack number one. Now I'm gonna create snack number two.